So this is an exciting video. AquaStrong reached out to me and they asked if I wanted to sample one of their products after I showed interest in their products that James had posted a video on. And I don't really do plumbing, but they had pool equipment. So fortunately, they were kind enough to give a pool heater to me. And we worked it out in a way that I would get a heater that would be sized for James' pool and then installed at James' house. So here's a review of the product. They are not paying me to make the video. They sent me the product and asked that I make a video on it. And I know James is very happy that we got this done. So hopefully you enjoy watching. This is the 2,000 gallon pool, and this is the AquaStrong 120 volt pool heat pump, cooling and heating pool heater. 12,000 BTUs. And it could do 3,000 gallons if you really wanted. And here's all the other information. 6 gallons per minute. And it uses new R32 refrigerant. So I'm gonna unbox it and show you what's inside. It feels weird doing a recording with an audience. I don't care, it's fine. Okay, so it's padded up nicely with foam so that it doesn't break, which is nice. And they give you a little warranty card that I already took a look at. They give, let's see, there's some adapters here and unions to hook it up. Looks like a little drain line for when it drips condensate. And the heater itself. So I'll pull it out and we'll see what it looks like. So here's the pool heater and 2 water connections, and it just plugs into any 120 volt outlet, and I guess it protects it too. And there's a screen, and they even have service and support. So if it ever breaks, which it never will because it's an amazing product, then you have great service and support, and you could just scan it with your phone. So look how easy it is to connect to this pool heater. You just simply screw on this adapter, and then this hose goes right on, and that's it. You put a clamp, and your pool heater is now connected. Look at that. Genius. AquaStrong, amazing. Look how little space this amazing heat pump pool heater takes up. Look, this is me in a normal standing stance. This is the pool heater, and it takes up the same amount of space. It can fit anywhere you want it to. And just like that, all we had to do was disconnect our hose from the pool and connect it into the bottom, which is the inlet side of the heater. And then this side is simply gonna go to the filter, and that's it. That's how easy it is to install this amazing product.
Handed out Pirate's Booty and Poopy sticker.
I did.
Look how easy it is to tighten this hose clamp. All you have to do is turn a tool and it's secure. And now this heat pump pool heater is fully plumbed in. Okay, so we connected a hose that goes from the outlet of our filter to the inlet of the amazing AquaStrong heat pump pool heater, and then a hose that comes out of the amazing AquaStrong heat pump pool heater and then goes back into the pool. And we plugged it in. We plugged the power in because all you have to do is plug it in because it's that easy. And now we're gonna turn it on and we're gonna change. Maybe if I press and hold. Sun. That means heat, probably. So we've set it to heat mode, and now we shall raise our temperature. James likes a very hot pool, so we're gonna go as high as this thing can possibly go, which is 105 degrees, which is crazy. 104. So with this pool heater heat pump, we were actually able to not only super efficiently heat this pool, but we've also turned it into a hot tub. Okay, so this heat pump pool heater has only been running now for like 5 minutes, and you can barely hear it because it's so amazing and quiet, and it's blowing out cold because it's taking the heat from the air and now putting it into the pool. And I just calibrated my temperature sensor, and it says that it's coming out 6 degrees hotter than it's going in. That's crazy. Okay, so now we're gonna change it to cooling operation, which is super easy, I think. Yeah, you press and hold this button and it starts flashing, and then you press it again and then it selects it. And now we're gonna turn this pool into cold plunge, because that's the new trend, and AquaStrong is hip with the times. 46 degrees. That's pretty cold. That's half of the degrees that the pool currently is. So after a short delay, the unit has now kicked on in heating mode and cooling mode, and now it's blowing out hot air here because it's taking the heat out of the pool. And now it's blowing water out that's like 20 degrees colder than the pool temperature. Like it's very cold. Isn't that so awesome? AquaStrong is so cool. And if you're having trouble figuring out the operation of this heater, Chapter 1 tells you exactly what to do. So, oh wait, their Chapter 1 is different than what they say it is. I need the operation. This is just the operation. And now that this homeowner has this amazing AquaStrong swimming pool heat pump pool heater, he could ditch this solar cover that doesn't do anything and use this super efficient, awesome AquaStrong, super efficient swimming pool heat pump water heater.
Well, just got home and, I uncovered the pool because the kids are coming home from camp. I just put the pool heater on. It is currently about 85 degrees in the pool. So I haven't been running this 24/7 because obviously I don't want to be spending an arm and a leg on heating the pool. But I will tell you this, the other night on Saturday, I put the pool heater on at, I would say probably 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And the kids were night swimming until 10 o'clock at night. And this pool, right, which has a couple thousand gallons, got up to, I think, like 91 or 92 degrees. It was literally like taking a bath. And she was running. She's pretty quiet and had no issues with it at all. It's been working fantastic. Obviously, it condenses, so there's a bit of water that pools up and goes off to the side. The water that's here now is just from me taking the cover off. But I'm really, really happy with this. And we've been able to swim and enjoy the pool a lot more. Just because, kids can be picky and they don't like the water being too cold, even on a 100-degree day. So, yeah, ever since we've had it put in, things have been fantastic. So, shout out to AquaStrong and shout out to DC HVAC for installing it and giving us a great product.
So James has been using this pool heater now for a full week, and it's been great. He's had no problems. AquaStrong makes a pool heater in a plethora of different sizes, a pool heater and a pool cooler, because it's a heat pump and an air conditioner. So you can check out AquaStrong in the link in my video description. And if you have a big pool or a small pool or a cold plunge or a hot tub, AquaStrong makes a product for you. And I'm pretty sure I get a commission if you buy something. So hopefully you enjoyed watching the video. Like the video if you liked it. comment any advice or criticisms or feedback, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.